In April of 2017, all the dishes in the Event Horizon Telescope swiveled, turned, and stared at a galaxy 55 million light years away. It's called Messier 87 or M87. And there's a supermassive black hole at its core. And we are delighted to be able to report to you today that we have seen what we thought was unseeable. We have seen and taken a picture of a black hole. Here it is. This is a remarkable achievement. What you're seeing here is the last photon orbit. What you are seeing is evidence of an event horizon. By laying a ruler across this black hole, we now have visual evidence for a black hole.
Driving these paradoxical structures, whose cosmic importance will be discussed by my colleague Sarah Markov. In M87, one of these jets is pointed very nearly toward us. Radio waves fall just as apples do. Typically, this effect is exceedingly small, but black holes are gravity run amok. The radio waves we see in these first images orbited the black hole before beginning their 55 million year journey toward us. This results in the dark shadow or silhouette cast by the black hole's event horizon upon the emission from the accretion flow in the jet.